The team has done a tremendous job by bringing the Jewish community in their series, and especially it tells them that how diversified and rich their history and culture is all about. Today I am going to review the Turkish series The Club. Six parts series is all about the life of ex-convict Matilda. Some happened in her life that she has to be, the choice that she did make and the price that she paid, and not only herself but her daughter as well, because right after when she was detained, her daughter was forsaken by the community and she ended up being in orphanage. So there is a no good relationship between her daughter Rachel and Matilda. So once she is out, she wanted to find out where her daughter is, found her, but she wanted to fled from the scene because she said that definitely after all these years there is a huge barrier and gap between us. But the guy told her, very good thing. The greatest friend a woman could really have is to have a mother. So better, best or for bad, you have to show that who you are. But definitely it is not gonna to be an easy task for her and especially for you. So Matilda mustered up courage and found out that her daughter is already in the jail because she is trying to help her friend to get the documents from the club owner, Shelby. And thus, eh, obviously she was underage and she was a child, and they were trying to finish this case. They didn't want to keep her there. But once Shelby found out that who is in the police station, Matilda. So there is a past behind them, and you have to watch what happened with them and why they are against each other, and what are the mind games Shelby played with her to keep the case away. And especially in return, what he got from her is she will keep working in her club. So the now mother is paying the price of the freedom of the daughter, whereas the daughter doesn't care about why the mother has shown up at this time. So it's a very amazing story depicting different angles of life, and the most important thing is the artist also, and the owner also. Han is the owner of that club also, who wanted to give a positive image of the society, and he was an entrepreneur at that time. And good thing is they have shown so many things from the 1955s or something like this, and especially dress, costume, and all this. They did work a lot on this. And then the guy Salim, he really wanted to do something what the parents doesn't wanted him to do, because he was definitely from an elite class and he wanted to end up in singing in all these clubs. And it's a transformation period, and especially these kind of eras were very challenging for the community, and especially all those who really wanted to give the positive image of their community, it will always become a very big hurdle for them. And that was his nightmare to switch to this, because he wanted to be a singer. And thus a lot of things you will see how his life with his parents, his relationship is not good. And there are a couple of parallel stories that they have shown, especially about parents and children relationship and how they don't understand each other. That's why they have to show in Matilda case also, in Salim case also, and especially the owner of the club who owns this recently, his relationship as well. So there are plenty of other political things though they have shown also, because it was just a minor plot, no need to think too much about it. But overall they have shown what Matilda and her daughter paid the price for. And it's the Shalad, he played so many mind games, because sometimes the anger is has no limit, infinite, and you don't know that why you are doing it. But sometimes it happens when the communities or nations just fluctuate. Someone wanted to get rid of other nations or other people from other communities, so it happened in that case also. But there are people in the community who really wanted to live in harmony, and that was the owner of the club. And you have to watch all this character and you will really be amazed with the story, how they portray it. Will she be able to go back to Israel and leave this, and what happened with her daughter also, because she fell in love with the guy, and will he be able to accept her because she didn't tell him who she is. So once the truth will be told, it was very, you have to watch it by yourself also. Yeah. and it's good. If you have any other series you really want to see cross cultural, it's very good to watch. Thank you so much for bearing me. Have a great watch, and always love others no matter who they are. At the end of the day, we are all humans and we have to cohabit together. Bye bye.